Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. That being said, y'all already know. Before I tell you what y'all already know, y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this hair unboxing. Here is the package. It just came not too long ago. It did come from FedEx. So you like, Miss Tamika, watching your videos, I get in trouble all the time. I hear y'all, because watching y'all videos, I get in trouble as well. So we just gonna get in trouble together. Because here on this channel is the love of handbags. You're gonna get all types of love unboxings and all kinds of stuff. I'm not 100% sure, but like I stated before, I had to purchase this in order to determine if it's something I'm going to keep. I ordered the bag. Yes, another bag. And it is a YSL bag. And so I wanted to look into a bigger size. I was like, you know what? Let me order this bag. And then I ordered another YSL. That's going to be coming. So between the two, I'm going to decide which one I want to keep. Is the bag. Well, here's the inside of the box. And this did come from Saks. Okay, so this particular item from Saks, you don't get a box. Comes with the dust bag. Don't fall from ordering from Saks and Nordstrom's and things. So if you are concerned about your item being in a box, may not get it with that. Now, that other YSL bag that I purchased, it did come with a box. So I don't know if it's just, you know, I don't know why some come in boxes and some don't. All that firsthand on this video, because that item did come from Saks. So here it's neatly wrapped in tissue paper. You have your Saks on the front and the back. Okay, they wrapped it like something like a gift. Even though it do not come with a box, you do get a dust bag. So I am proud to say you get a dust bag. Guess which bag? Did you guess? Okay, so let's go ahead and reveal the bag that I purchased. And I decided to, this bag is cute, you all. I decided to get this bag because I did have, well, you know, I did do an unboxing on that small YSL bag. And that bag, I love a whole lot, but it just didn't quite fit my needs as far as my essentials, because I noticed carrying that bag, I did have to downsize a lot of things, and I didn't want to downsize a whole lot, if y'all get what I'm saying. So I was like, okay, let me try and switch up with the size. This is why I ordered this one and another YSL. So like I said, between the two, I'm gonna decide which one I want to keep. In the meantime, this one came first because the other bag is coming from Nordstrom's. This one here is a lot bigger. You can hold a lot more. It kind of reminds me of my Gucci More mount. It's a whole different shape, because y'all, when I tell you I was going back and forth, I'm like, okay, it looks like the Gucci More mount. Should I get it? Should I not? Should I get it? Like, I was going back and forth to the point where I was like, you know what, just order the bag. Just order the bag. And once I saw someone do a comparison, I was like, okay, looking at the bag, the shape is totally different. I do have the bag in my closet. I just don't feel like getting it right now. Here is the inside. And as you can see, you have your tissue paper. And my auntie, hey Auntina, she called me, what she called me, Niecy Poo or Prissy Poo. She called me one of them, Prissy Poo. I was like, oh, that is so cute. My aunt called me Prissy Poo. But anyway, Auntie, this is for you, because she wanted me, well, I'm going to still do a video on this, but she wanted me to share how I store my bags. So Auntie, see how this stuff come in the inside of this bag? This is what I normally put back in the bag to keep its shape. If any of your bags ever come with any type of stuffing, I don't even care. It don't even have to be luxury. Like if you get Marc Jacob, Coach, or anything like that, if it come with stuffing, keep the stuffing with the bag, because there's a reason why. Because it helps it to hold its shape, especially with this type of leather. Is real soft and squishy. Oh, I want to say, hey grandkids, Naira, Amira, Munir, and Moo, say hey y'all, because they watch me, especially my oldest granddaughter. She watched me faithfully, like faithfully. So hey Naira. This bag, you do still get the Saint Laurent card. I'm not going to open this one because I did open the one from the first bag because that was my first and ever YSL bag. And let me just say, before I get more into this hair bag, I love YSL. Like, now I understand why everybody loves YSL. Love it. Like, it's the quality, the way it looks, everything is just beautiful. Here is the inside of the bag, and it's all black. Has a serial number in the inside of here, which is supposed to match the, I guess, the card in here. But like I said, I'm not going to open it. We know it's the real deal because I got it from Saks. The inside is all black. Now, I was looking at this bag in the beige color, but y'all know, if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I've been dealing with a lot of color transfer issues, and I just feel like I don't want to have to worry about anything when I carry this bag. So I was like, you know what, let me get the black, so I don't have to worry about if my jeans washed or the black. I don't have to worry about anything, because at this point, when you have a bag like this, like a smaller bag, you want it to be more of a carefree bag, the type of bag that you can carry like anywhere at any given time. Because like I said, I don't dress up. Style is more casual and loungy type of clothes, if y'all get what I'm saying. A pair of pajamas. And my mom was like, you changing? I said, yeah, Pat, because these pajamas, because I called my mom Pat. She was like, oh, shoot, I thought they were clothes. I said, oh, no, Pat, they were pajamas. The kind of pajamas I like to buy are like comfortable pajamas that if I wanted to, I could wear outside. And if you didn't know, this do come with a Saint Laurent. What is it? Saint Laurent tassel. People was saying they didn't care for this tassel because it, I don't know, be rubbing up against them or hanging too low or whatever. So I don't know, you know, because like I said, when I do these hair unboxings, I love the bag and I'm like, oh my goodness. And then behind the scenes, I'll go try it on, wear, put stuff in it, and sometimes my mind changes, even though I love the bag, because I just don't want to keep something just because. That's what returns are for, you know. Not feeling it or loving it, especially when it comes to luxury items. Like I said, I can have the bag. Now, I don't keep the bag for months at a time and then decide to say, hey, I don't like it, I'm going to go and return it. Most of the time, when I don't end up liking a bag, I'll return it within a few days. It's hard to determine a bag unless you're able to get it home. Like, I can go in Louis Vuitton and put stuff in it, but with the COVID, the lines and everything, and then if I'm not sure with purchasing, I feel like I'm wasting their time. So I don't want to go in there, have them bring me out a bag, start pulling all my stuff out, you know, and people at the window looking like, okay, is she gonna buy it? So I just rather get it home. I like to just purchase the bag, get it home, play with it myself on my terms, so I don't have nobody looking at me wondering, okay, is she gonna buy it, is she not? Because sometimes when you purchase or about to purchase a luxury item, you may go visit them a lot of times. Because if y'all didn't know, back before I purchased that Delightful, when I tell you I went and visit that bag so many times before I purchased it, I probably went and visit that bag over 10 times before I took the plunge and purchased the bag. And it's crazy because I was in love with the bag, and then after a year or two, I didn't like it anymore, because like I said, the strap was always sliding off my shoulder. I hated that about that bag. It just wasn't comfortable, and again, how would I be able to determine that unless you wear? So I was able to sell it, and I was blessed that I was able to sell it almost for what I paid. But these luxury bags are very expensive. They're home, and then, you know, things change. It happens a lot here on this channel. Like, I'll purchase something, then after wearing it and playing with it, I'm like, oh, this is not for me. Or, you know, I want a everyday small crossbody type of bag that I can put everything in, worry about anything. And so I did attach the strap. Here is removable, so for whatever reason, if you just like, okay, I don't want to carry this, you can take this off. But for me, I like the little extraness that this brings to the bag. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab some stuff. Of course, you know, put a little bit of stuff in here just to give y'all a quick glimpse of what can fit in here and how it looks on my body. So let me go grab some stuff so we can see how this stuff fit in this bag, and I'll be right back, you all. I grabbed some stuff. Go ahead and put a few things in this hair bag. And if I didn't mention, y'all, this hair dust bag is really thick. Like, it's not cheap feeling whatsoever. Like, this is a good quality dust bag. Okay, so here's the bag because I want y'all to focus on the bag. This is what I was meaning when I had to downsize, because in that smaller bag I couldn't carry my Gucci and this at the same time. It just was no room. And I was able to fit it inside of the bag, but when I was going into the stores pulling out my stuff to check out, it was just a struggle. You know, when you're in the stores, you want to move fast so you can keep the line going. So I'm in here struggling, trying to pull out my cards. And then it was to the point where I couldn't put my stuff back in my bag. I just had to like walk away and do it on the side because I had to rearrange stuff. It was just to the point where I was like, okay, Tamika, you ain't got to go through all, like, come on now. We'll try to see what we can do. So that's why I was just like, this is why I am carrying my keys attached to this here Louis Vuitton pouch, because I prefer to have it separate. But here we're gonna go ahead and put this in the inside of the bag. Like I said, the bag is all black, so I don't know if that would be an issue with you trying to, you know, search for your things, but I don't see that being a problem because, you know, my stuff is not all black. This is something I may not carry all the time, but I just wanted to show you because I got this at when I was at Disney, portable fan, and it changes colors. But of course we know that it's not going to be hot here in Atlanta all the time, so I do carry this in my bags. And of course, if you have something smaller, there's no way you can carry both. What else I have? And then I have my Gucci pouch. And let's see. Of course, we need lip balm, lotion. And then I couldn't carry my lotion, so now I can put that in here. So we're going to grab my lotion, some lip balm, some hand sanitizer. And the shape is a little bulky. Like, let's just say for whatever reason that may be too bulky, you can carry this here Touchland. And I love this here hand sanitizer. I did get this from Ulta of it, and they also have really good scents. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that inside of here. What I did with my Chanel mirror, but I need to find it like ASAP. From my bestie Fruity Honey. She gave me this when I was back home, and she had it in her purse, so she gave it to me. So we're gonna go ahead and place that inside of here. And let's just say it's a vlogging day, so I'm gonna detach my camera V1 to put that inside. And keep in mind, I do not carry this all the time. Everything in this bag changes so often because, like I said, I don't vlog all the time. But if I do want to vlog, I want to know that it can fit inside of this here bag. Everything fits perfectly and closes. I do need to maybe move around things so the shape of the bag. I just had to readjust everything. It's not heavy at all. Oh my goodness, it don't tug on my shoulders or anything like that. Oh my goodness, in this hair bag that I would have to worry about it being heavy, and oh my goodness, it is not heavy at all. The straps and make it a lot shorter, because if I didn't mention, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 holes. So if you're like me and you are short, and if I didn't mention, it also has this here little what is this, holder or something. And I'm glad it has this, because you know, you don't want your strap flipping up and bending and things like so. So I'm glad it has that. Really thick and sturdy to where as though it won't like fall out or anything. The fact that it has a lot of holes for you to adjust the bag and make it short or small. And for reference, I am 5'1". 100% sure, but I think 5'1". Adjust it a lot shorter. Probably where I would most likely carry this bag. Well, this bag is so freaking cute. And like I said, I do like the tassel that hangs on the side of the bag. Smell that leather. It kind of smells and feels exactly like the Gucci Mormount. I was saying with this bag and the other bag that's coming, which one, because I can't keep both, so I'm gonna decide between the two. And to me, it's like the perfect go-to bag, like everyday type of bag. Like this the type of bag you can wear going to work, you can wear going out, like you can dress this bag up. Then I also like the fact that the straps are not long like the Gucci Mormount. This is what Gucci should have done to the Mormount. like made it shorter because it's like it's so long. But yeah, and then also let me know, because like I said, I'm new to YSL. I did watch a video where this lady was saying that prefer to get her YSL bags from the actual YSL store, because when you purchase a YSL bag, you get a 2-year warranty. My question is, me purchasing my bag from, you know, like Nordstrom's or Saks, if you have any issues with the bag, can you take it to a YSL store? Because like I said, this is my first time ever purchasing a bag, because what was it, my Gucci card case came from Nordstrom's, but I was able, I think it was Nordstrom's before they stopped selling Gucci, but I was able, I think it was Nordstrom's or Bloomingdale's, able to take it to the actual Gucci store, and they was able to, you know, look at my item and everything like that. They, oh, you didn't purchase it here, you got to take it back to Nordstrom. So like I said, I'm wondering, you know, is it the same with YSL? An issue with shipping or anything like that, can I take it to a YSL store and they service my bag, or will I have to take it back to, you know, the actual store I bought it from? So again, let me know down below. Yeah, you all, I'm just rambling at this point because I don't really know what else more to say. But I will open the bag and show you what's in the inside. And like I said, this is not what I would carry. I'm just showing you for the sake of the video. I had my vlogging stick. I had my hand sanitizer. I had my Mickey fan. Like this Mickey fan and my camera and vlogging stick. Those are the three things that I won't always carry in my bag. My Sony ZV-1. My lip balm. Not sure anymore about lip balms, because I don't know if y'all know they going back to us wearing masks even if you got the shot. So I have my Chanel lotion, and I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch and mention. Here in the pocket I have my, I forgot to mention, this is Fruity Honey by Dossier. Sure, I don't think my coupon work anymore, but that's Fruity Honey and it smells really good. The inside of this bag, y'all, this bag feels so soft. Like I can't wait till the other bag comes so I can decide which one I want to keep. So yeah, I think that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this here unboxing, part 2 of this here unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. So with that being said, you all, if you like this here unboxing, please give this video a big thumbs up, because y'all, it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell. Yes, you got to click on that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.